that time of year. Do you have your 2020 marketing calendar written out? I think a better question is, have you ever written out your marketing calendar a year in advance? The answer is probably no. In fact, every time I talk to a real estate professional or a loan officer or a small business owner about their marketing, the answer is very similar. No, I don't build it out a year in advance, let alone a month in advance. Well, I'm going to show you a strategy that I implemented in my business about 2 years ago that nearly helped me double my production without spending any additional money in marketing, without spending any additional money buying leads, and it was building out my marketing calendar a year in advance. I became organized around my marketing, organized around my events, organized around the content that I created, that I blogged about, that I posted on social media, organized around how my business looks to the universe, to our community, and to my followers and past clients. This is a game changer. If you're not doing this, you want to come out on Friday. I'm going to share with you how a 3 or 4 hour meeting with yourself or your assistant. I spend 3 or 4 hours with Jessica, my executive assistant, every single December, and we build it out for the year. It's the best 3 or 4 hours you can invest in your business. I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm going to share with you one other tip on Friday from my wife, Jenny Keller, who owns Jenny Cookies. I'm going to share with you a strategy that she uses every single month when she builds out her content creation marketing strategy in her business. It's genius. I can't wait to share it with you. Friday morning from 9 to 10, right here in my office. Down below this video, you'll find directions. I'll see you out here, okay? Bye for now.